Hey guys, today we'll be making a quick and easy, elegant bow, perfect for a wedding. What you will need, I have the Bowdabra bow maker, I have some bow wire, ribbon, which this is about 1 1/8 inch wide, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is take your bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down in the center of your Bowdabra. And then I have cut two 10-inch long pieces, and these will serve as my tails. You can make the tails longer if you choose to, or you can leave the tails off altogether. It's completely up to you. So I'm going to fold it in half to find the center, and then I'm going to scrunch. Fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and then place it down on my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take the rest of my ribbon and I'm leaving it on the roll. I'm going to scrunch the end, and then you're going to make a loop and scrunch and place it down. And then do the same thing with the other side, make a loop, scrunch, and place it down. Now my loops are starting off large, but as I continue on, I'm going to make them smaller and smaller. And I'm just going to continue repeating the step for as long as I'd like, just depending on the size of the bow you want. So if you want a huge bow, just keep going. If you want a small bow, you can stop it right now. It's completely up to you. And I didn't measure a specific size for my loops, I just kind of visualized, but if you do want to measure, you can place it over like a measuring tool to make sure your loops are the same size. But it's not a big deal to me. And I'm just going to continue repeating this step until I am all done. Alright, I think I'm all done. As you can see, my loops started off large and then they got smaller and smaller. I just think this is such a cute effect. And when I'm finally done, I'm going to just cut the rest of the ribbon from my roll. And then I'm going to give it one last scratch. It looks so cute. You can adjust it and maneuver it just to make sure it's exactly how you like it. Now, my ribbon is not wire edged, but if you're using wire edged ribbon, you're able to manipulate it a little bit more. But I thought this ribbon was so cute and precious that I just had to use it. Alright, so see, that's what it's looking like. I made a decent amount of loops. So I'm going to take my bow wire, take the two open ends and place it inside the loop and hold my bow in place. Give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the Bowdabra. And I'm going to tie it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. So you always have the option of keeping the bow wire in place, especially if you know you're going to tie this bow to something. This is going to help you easily tie it. Or if you don't need it, then you can just cut it away. It's completely up to you. Alright, and I'm just adding on any final adjustments, just making it more round and loopy. And as you can see, I left my tail squared away, but you can definitely ribbon cut the tails if you choose to do so. And if you want more tails, just add more pieces, or again, you can leave the tails off altogether. The possibilities are endless. Just personalize it to fit you. But it's such a cute, simple, and elegant bow. It's the perfect, elegant finishing touch.